Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, January the 8th, 2014. A couple things to continue to deal with across the region in the wake of our departing Arctic air mass. Temperatures are still fairly cold this morning, and there is still a bit of a breeze, and that is dropping wind chills down into the teens below zero in many spots, and across the eastern upper peninsula, those wind chills are down in the 20 to 30 below range. So that will be a problem. It will be cold throughout the day. We'll see high temperatures today getting up to the teens, which will be a little bit of an improvement from yesterday. But it'll still be a bit breezy, so the wind chills will still be in the single digits above and below zero throughout the afternoon. So be prepared for that. Then we do have warmer air coming back up into the region, but that is going to set the stage for the potential of a wintry mess of precipitation types heading into the weekend. There's a threat of some freezing drizzle moving into northern Michigan Thursday night and Friday morning. And then we have the threat for some mixed rain, snow, and freezing rain heading into the later part of Friday and into Friday night and possibly Saturday as well, which could have a impact on travel. So if you have any travel plans for later Friday into Saturday, keep in mind that we may run into some rather significant precipitation type issues, which is sort of strange to think about given how cold it's been since December. But with a nice push of warm air coming up into the region, we'll have to keep account of these things heading into the weekend. Here's a look at the current weather map. We see a narrow area of high pressure over central Canada and the upper Midwest associated with the core of the coldest air across the eastern half of the country. We see a frontal boundary off to our southwest and west that extends from Missouri back across Kansas and up into the high plains, and that is where the next shot of warmer air will be coming in as we head into the latter part of this week. And as it does, running over some residual cooler air at the surface will set the stage for the potential for some icy precipitation, again, both Thursday night and Friday morning, and then possibly later Friday into Friday night and possibly early Saturday. So we can see some impacts to travel heading into the weekend. So that's the main gist of the hazards upcoming over the next couple of days. Again, we have some wind chill issues this morning. It will be cold again today with highs only in the teens. Wind chills will be in the single digits above and below zero. And then we have the chance for some freezing drizzle developing Thursday night, moving northeastward across the northern part of Michigan, which can impact travel going into Friday morning. And then we have a little more substantial precipitation coming in Friday night and Saturday. And with a push of warm air up from the southwest, that could bring a wintry mix of precipitation types across the region. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning.